Hi, my name is Arya Priyasantha. People call me Pri. I'm the Director of Products and Innovation at 2Ergo. For many years, a lot of people have been talking about how we could use one of these, a mobile phone, to replace our physical loyalty and payment cards. One of the biggest reasons we haven't seen the widespread adoption of mobile loyalty and payment has been down to a fundamental problem. How do we get one of these to communicate with one of those, a cash register? This is what is commonly known as closing the loop. I've invented a product called podifi which attempts to solve this age-old problem. Here it is. We think that this is something really special, and before I tell you more about it, let me give you some background to some of the other solutions that have been tried before and why I came up with this product. So some people have tried to use mobile barcodes and scanners to close the loop. Here is a mobile barcode and here is a scanner connected to a cash register. If I hold the mobile phone in front of a scanner, it scans and the code is indeed sent to the cash till. So is this closing the loop? Well, not really. The barcode on the phone screen is indeed transmitted to the cash till when it's scanned. However, the phone itself does not know it's been scanned. What this means is that I can keep scanning it. There is no control over usage, and therefore to close the loop properly, we have to upgrade the software on the cash till to handle single-use vouchers or customer IDs, and also usually connect it up to the internet. Some of the older tills simply won't support this, and for those that do, the cost to upgrade is a significant sum of money and operationally very disruptive to a busy store. The other problem is that you need to have the right kind of scanner. These are optical scanners, however most retailers don't have these. Most retailers have these, and these are laser scanners. But laser scanners, unfortunately, don't work off mobile phone screens. So this means a retailer not only has to upgrade their cash till software, but also to invest in new scanners. This has meant that this technique of using mobile barcodes and scanners is cost prohibitive for most retailers. So unfortunately, this does not close the loop for most retailers. Some companies have tried to use PIN numbers or customers' mobile numbers to try and close the loop. Customers read out a unique number when they are at the till, and the cashier then types this number into the cash till directly or enters it into a chip and pin machine. The unique number is then passed back from the tills to a central system where it can be reconciled to close the loop. PIN numbers can really work. We use it ourselves on the Orange Wednesdays programme. There are, however, two main issues with this approach. Firstly, typing in PIN numbers takes time, particularly when the numbers are typed in incorrectly and have to be retyped. This can lead to a lot of queuing. The biggest problem, however, is that you have to upgrade the cash tills or the software on the chip and pin machines to allow these numbers to be typed in. As I pointed out earlier, upgrading the software on the tills or till equipment incurs significant costs to a retailer and also disrupts the operation of a store. This is why retailers have not widely adopted this approach, and hence why this approach does not close the loop. A quick word on NFC. I will talk about NFC in more detail in a future blog post. However, the biggest issue with NFC is that it will take at least 4 or 5 years before there are enough terminals that support NFC installed in the retailers, and also enough handset devices that also support NFC. If you want to use something right now, NFC is not the answer. So how does podifi change this? This is the podifi pod. It's a very small, lightweight device, and very low cost. It's really simple to use. Just need to plug it into a cash till and you're ready to go. It works with any cash till that could support a scanner, using either USB or serial interfaces. This means we can support both the 25-year-old legacy tills that are out there and also the very latest tills. There are no drivers to install, there's no software to install, no upgrade required, and does not need internet access. Let's have a look at the customer journey. Here I have a mobile coupon. As you can see, it says it's available. When I'm ready to redeem, I just hold my phone near the pod and click redeem. The pod goes green to indicate a valid redemption, and it beeps. The pod communicates with the cash till in the same way a scanner would do. But unlike a scanner, here you can see the code is now marked as used. This means I cannot use it again. If a coupon is not valid at that store or expired, we can reject the coupon. Here I have a coupon which is invalid. The pod rejects the coupon. So with podifi, we can control the usage. Retailers can record coupons in their cash tills, and we record the redemptions on our phone. Using our podifi backend platform, we can reconcile that data. podifi does close the loop. The other cool thing about this product is that it does not rely on NFC. We use the same technology that is already built into smartphones today. So with podifi, we've overcome some huge hurdles in the industry. Firstly, it's a simple plug-and-play operation and works with pretty much all cash tills without any need to upgrade. It's really low cost, so it means that it is not cost prohibitive for retailers to get going. Secondly, it's a really simple and quick transaction for a consumer, no need to type in any numbers. Thirdly, it does not rely on NFC. It's ready to use today. Thank you for listening.